The Pecumtuck had connections with these lands for millennia. Over 400 years of colonization, when Pecumtuck peoples were displaced, many joined their Algonquin relatives to the east, south, west, and north. That includes Mashpee and the Aquinnah Wampanoag, Nipmuc, Narragansett, Mohegan, Pequot, Mohican communities, and Abenaki, and other nations of the Wabanaki Confederacy. These native peoples still maintain connections and relationships of care for these lands today.
Hi, this is Team 17, 2 Tree Determined. My name's Dave.
I'm Colby. I'm Xavier. Today we're here with the trustees, a couple different locations here at the Land of Providence, picking up trash. Let's get to it.
Woo. Yay!
For our environmental leadership project, we collaborated with the trustees and cleaned up 3 of their local conservation areas of litter and natural debris. We started off in Holyoke at the Dinosaur Footprints site, a small area by the Connecticut River highlighting fossilized tracks of long-gone life on Earth. We then moved down the river to the Land of Providence, a small plot of land used for farming.
Hey guys, today we are at the Land of Providence in Holyoke. As you can see, we're starting to pick up trash. We just got here and there is a lot of trash by the entrance, which is a bit concerning. But anyways, we're about to go onto the trail and see what's going on.
In a 2020 study by Keep America Beautiful, they found that there are nearly 50 billion pieces of litter left along U.S. roadways and waterways. On average, that means that every person in the country littered 152 pieces of trash. Litter cleanup efforts can benefit the environment both in the moment and in the future. By picking up trash, the environment will be less polluted, and wildlife will have a smaller chance of ingesting plastics and other toxins. The first 2 sites were located right off of Route 5, so there's plenty of foot traffic and plenty of trash to be picked up. Finally, we came back to Hadley to maintain the Mount Warner Trail. This site was further from the main roads, so our focus was more on removing brush and natural debris than picking up litter.
Civic engagement is the glue that holds society together. We work for the common good to better ourselves, community, society, humanity, and our planet as a whole. We take issues of public concern and address them not for laurels, praise, wealth, or power, but to make good on a social contract of how we should act by sacrificing some individual freedom for state protection.
Volunteering to maintain local trails was a rewarding endeavor for all of us. We'd like to thank the trustees for granting us the opportunity to work with them, especially Josh Knox and Eliza Foreman, who connected us with the organization. We'd also like to thank Lena Fletcher for leading us toward this valuable experience, and thanks to you guys for watching our documentary.